English interdictation. Ready? Start. Speaking in the Legislative Assembly, an honorable member stated as follows. Mr. Speaker sir, I rise to support the motion of thanks for the Governor's address. I wish to draw the attention of the government to the points raised during the debate, reiterating the statement of Honorable Chief Minister regarding starting of primary health center in taluks recently established. It will be good and right if each and every village panchayat has a community hall or an auditorium. I request the government to take all necessary steps in this regard. Then I would like to stress the need for starting rural libraries. As we know, the primary need of the educated unemployed is to make use of libraries. If libraries are opened, the youth can take notes for competitive examination and also gain more general knowledge. The villagers can avail of the opportunity to enhance their skill in case of need also. I hope and trust the government must come forward to provide all help and assistance to the rural poor in this regard. Moving on to the next subject, I would like to stress the need for improvement of tanks in the state. The government must pay special attention to this matter. It is relevant to note that I have already referred the issue on previous occasions also, which can easily be seen on going through the recordings of the assembly. I would also request the concerned Honorable Minister to look into the matter as quickly as possible. I further hope the Honorable Finance Minister would graciously allocate more funds to do the needful, and I thank him for taking note of my suggestions. As we know, the majority of people belong to the poor classes who must be helped by the government by starting cooperative farms, and the persons involved must be enrolled and given share in these farms. The government must safeguard their interest by providing insurance schemes so as to enable them to upgrade their status and the well-being of their day-to-day affairs be enhanced considerably. I appreciate the government and every honorable member of this house also joins me regarding handling of public distribution system in the state. Further, I request the government to extend the free distribution of rice and wheat to the people below poverty line without any hurdle, and ensure through officers concerned that it is received by people on right day with correct weight, etc. The government must conduct surprise checks in the ration shops frequently by the officials and curb malpractice. In conclusion, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for introduction of many new and useful schemes for the welfare of the people of Tamil Nadu. I thank the Honorable Finance Minister for allotting necessary funds to implement the various welfare schemes of the government. I am sure that under that able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, our state will become number one state in the country. With these words, I conclude my speech. Letter dated 10th October 2014 from the manager Messrs. Ravindran and Company, Bengaluru to Mr. John 40, Anna Salai, Chennai. Dear Sir, we are in receipt of your letter of the 4th instant informing us of your desire to purchase a suitable plot near Electronic City for a startup business. We thank you for your letter. At the very outset, we wish to inform you that we have made necessary enquiries and obtained all details of a plot which we hope will be of interest to you. The total area of the plot is 4 grounds and is situated in the heart of the city. It is in an excellent condition and the price offered is also a nominal one. The persons in charge of this deal came to us and discussed with us. We think that the prices is acceptable to you. We are further informed that the owner of the plot wishes to dispose of the flat quickly and to go abroad within a fortnight. In our opinion, this is the most ideal one as it is situated in Industrial Club. We shall be happy to arrange for an inspection on any day. Yours faithfully.